Recently, I heard in the news that our planet, Earth, is starting to search for extraterrestrial life. When I heard this, I wasn't surprised, but the idea still left me in shock. In a regular neighborhood, what would be a surprise? This is a surprise. If someone said you were mistreating cats or dogs, you would certainly be criticized. But if someone said you were mistreating extraterrestrials, it would be one of the highest acknowledgments of your technological development. In movies and novels, we're always the ones suffering at the hands of extraterrestrials. But now, finally, Earth is flipping the script, and the Earth slaves start singing. And if, when we find extraterrestrial life, we discover they're very small and haven't developed intelligence yet, well, maybe we could use them for experiments. These little intergalactic lab rats deserve protection. If they've just evolved into basic intelligence, we can keep them as pets. Of course, as pets. You can't talk about independent personality when you're adopted. Us humans can do whatever we want with them. Do you know why we give them food? It's because humans are kind-hearted. If their intelligence, size, and appearance are similar to ours, we might even start a trade in extraterrestrial population. If they're good-looking, and if the laws allow interspecies marriage, who knows? One day, you might even marry an extraterrestrial. Imagine marrying an extraterrestrial with a sweet look, like Faye, with bright eyes and an amazing figure. If she's more beautiful than you, no doubt I would spend the rest of my life doing whatever she wanted. Of course, reality might not be as beautiful as we imagine. The appearance of extraterrestrials could be completely different from ours. Maybe they would look like goats, or even like car exhaust pipes, like the dragon in the myth, which is nothing like we expected. Now, if an extraterrestrial resembling a car exhaust pipe came to you, would you want to hug it, or would you back off? Speaking of different forms of life, even within our own planet, life forms are incredibly diverse. For example, the lion's mane jellyfish can rejuvenate, the feather caterpillar can endure temperatures as low as 70 degrees Celsius, and the tardigrade can live for 120 years outside of water. Even the most basic processes, like respiration, can differ. We humans need oxygen, but many anaerobic bacteria live without it. So the question is, do extraterrestrials need oxygen? We need oxygen because our life activities require it for cellular functions. If we can't breathe fresh air, our cells stop working. Of course, we can't guarantee that all extraterrestrial life forms are carbon-based, and therefore they may not need oxygen or even respiration to gain energy. As we mentioned before, silicon can also form 4 bonds, just like carbon, and can be the backbone of large molecules. So, silicon-based life might really exist. Now, imagine a silicon-based extraterrestrial in some corner of the universe watching videos just like us. I would laugh just thinking about it. The chemical bond between silicon and oxygen is very strong and can destroy any organic structure involving silicon. Therefore, respiration might not be necessary for them, or it could even be poisonous. Although extraterrestrial life might be very different from ours, scientists continue searching for alien life based on how life works on Earth. This is because science needs imagination, but in practice, scientists must be pragmatic. In short, humanity's current technology only allows us to search for life forms similar to those on Earth, as we are limited by our knowledge and capabilities. Here's a simple analogy. Imagine someone lost their keys in the middle of a dark night, but they can only search where there is light, like under a street light. Even knowing the keys might be somewhere else, they can only search in the illuminated area. That's how we humans are, searching for extraterrestrial life, limited by our current technology. The key to searching for extraterrestrial life is that if these beings are similar to us, we might even colonize their planet, not just help develop the planet. So, if we do find extraterrestrial life, may good luck be with us.